Hello and welcome to another Back in Stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Norton, and as always we're here amongst the warehouse shelves taking a look to see what's back in stock for your classic motorcycle. So let's take a look and see what we found this week. Okay, first up this week, part number 132069, the spark plug from NGK. This plug is the equivalent to the Champion N7YC and it's £3.90 including VAT. Next up is the 10 to 16mm stainless steel hose clip. That is part number 063248 and that's actually just 68p and that includes your VAT. Next up, we mentioned a couple last week. There's another one now, the third toolkit from Andover Norton, the general tools for the Norton Commandos 750, 850 in the AF Whitworth and Imperial sockets. That is part number 132098 and is £179.93 including VAT. Second to last this week, the Roadster petrol tank, completely unpainted, but it has been pressure tested. It is part number 062701 and that's £474 including VAT. And finally this week, the Race X tyre pressure gauge, part number 131696, is £16.74 including VAT. And as always, if there's anything I've not mentioned that you'd like to know whether it's back in stock or not, you can check out the Andover Norton website. And if it's not in stock, you can get yourself an email reminder sent to you as well. There is a link in the section below, which is a video, and it takes you through the whole process of setting up your account so that you can get yourself an email reminder when an item comes back in stock that you're really after. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching this week, and until next time, safe riding.